In today's tech review, I'm going over the Ring Alarm home security system. I'll be covering all its features and how it actually works, and I'll also be sharing my overall user experience with it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Eric of Immersive Tech TV, and before we start today's review, I would like to say a quick thank you to Ring for sending me their new home security system to review and share with you guys. And of course, as always, if you would like to learn more about this particular system after the video, I'll link down below where you can find it online, as well as my full list of its pros and cons. But with that being said guys, let's now start today's review. So if you haven't already seen it, about a few months ago I actually did a review on the Ring Video Doorbell 2, which is a video doorbell that captures motion footage and also lets you stream a live view of the front of your home from anywhere. But today guys, we're reviewing Ring's newest product, the Ring Alarm home security system, which does differ from their Ring Video Doorbells and Spotlight cams and flood cams in that this system is not a video capturing system, but it's more of an all-in-one security system for monitoring the inside of your house and the entrances of your home as well. So I'm going to break down today's review into 3 parts. Firstly, I'm going to cover all the different components of the Ring Alarm home security system. After that, I'm going to take you inside the actual Ring app to show you how to manage your home security system through the app. And lastly, I'm going to share my overall user experience with the system, as well as my final thoughts on who I think it's best for. The Ring Alarm home security system is designed to protect your home from the inside out. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, this alarm system allows you to monitor your home from any iOS or Android phone or tablet. And through the Ring app, you can completely customize the alarm system to meet your needs. For instance, you can set up the alarm system to do things such as send you instant alerts when doors or windows are open, or when motion is detected at your home. And much like their Ring Video Doorbells, this really allows you to monitor your home from anywhere. In fact, if you already have another Ring device, such as a Ring Video Doorbell or a Ring Spotlight camera, you can actually sync the alarm system to your doorbell and cameras so that you can control all your home security devices from one app. And I like this because it makes it extremely convenient to monitor and manage all your Ring devices from essentially one dashboard. But the great thing I like about Ring devices, guys, is that they are easy to install by yourself and you never need to hire someone for professional installation. The kit comes with all the screws and brackets you need and the setup guide to walk you through setting it up. Speaking of the kit, it comes with several components. It includes the base station, a keypad, a contact sensor, a motion detector, and a range extender. So let's first talk about the base station. You can think of the base station as the central hub for your entire home security. It keeps your alarm system both online and connected to your mobile devices and is required to activate your motion sensors and to receive alerts. It has a built-in 110 decibel siren and a 24-hour backup battery so that the alarm system can still function even in the event of a power outage. You can connect the base station to your home Wi-Fi network, or you can also directly connect it via Ethernet. Not only does the base station connect to your other alarm components, but it also syncs to your Ring Video Doorbells and security cameras to let you control all your Ring devices from one single app. Next up is the keypad. I do want to first mention, guys, that you can arm and disarm your alarm from your phone using the Ring app. However, whenever you're not near your phone or tablet, the keypad is what lets you arm and disarm your alarm system from inside your home. To arm or disarm your system, simply enter your access code on the keypad and then press the Away, Home, or the Disarmed mode button. As you can see, the keypad features 3 different security modes. The first mode is Disarmed mode.
Disarmed.
This mode deactivates all sensors for when you or your family are home. You definitely want the alarm in this mode when you're home, or else you'll be receiving alerts all day. The next mode is Away mode.
Away and armed.
This mode activates all sensors for when no one is home. This is the mode where you will receive alerts to your phone if motion is detected in the home when no one should be there. And the last mode is Home mode.
Home and armed.
This is a mode somewhere in between where you can activate certain sensors but not necessarily all the sensors. This mode might make sense for when you want to move around freely in your home, but you want to be alerted if someone tries to break in through a door or window. Now, in terms of the installation of this keypad, it comes with a mounting bracket and screws if you want to mount it on a wall, or you can also use it as a portable keypad. And when it comes to powering the keypad, you can either plug it into a standard power outlet, or it can also run on a rechargeable battery to stay active in the event of a power outage. The keypad also features a panic mode. To trigger it, press and hold the check and X buttons on the keypad simultaneously. If your alarm system is self-monitored, the siren will go off in your base station and keypad. And if your alarm system is professionally monitored, triggering the panic alarm sends a signal to the monitoring station. This causes the alarm to sound and police to be dispatched.
Away and armed.
The next component is the contact sensor. You can attach the contact sensors to any door or window frame. When your system is armed, the Ring alarm will send instant alerts to your phone whenever your contact sensors are triggered. Basically guys, this means you'll be notified if someone is trying to slide open your windows or open your doors when you're away from home. To install the contact sensors, you simply have to mount the brackets to any door or window frame using the included tape or screws. Following that, we have the motion detector. The motion detector does just what it says. If your system is armed and it detects motion inside your home, it will send you an alert straight to your Ring app. The motion detector also has advanced motion sensitivity to prevent false alarms from pets. The motion detectors can either be mounted on a flat wall or on a wall corner. And much like the contact sensors, you simply have to mount the brackets using the included tape or screws. Ring does recommend mounting the motion detector around 7 feet above the floor though, to have an unobstructed view of the area you want to cover. And the last component is the range extender. The range extender is a simple device that extends the signal from your base station to all your alarm components. This is definitely ideal for larger homes because it essentially adds more security coverage to your home by eliminating dead zones with weak signal. And similar to the base station and Keypad, it also has a built-in 24-hour backup battery. To get the most out of it, Ring recommends plugging the range extender into an outlet somewhere between your base station and an alarm component that's somewhat far away from your base station. Another cool thing with the system, guys, is that you can always customize it as you go. For example, depending on the size of your home, you can always add more contact sensors and motion detectors to cover additional areas of your home if the ones that come in the base kit don't cover enough. You can also expand your alarm system at any time with more Ring alarm sensors. For example, right now they're actually building a smoke and carbon monoxide detector as well as a flood and freeze sensor. And the convenient part about these additional sensors, guys, is that they can also be managed and monitored from the same Ring app that you already have to manage your other Ring devices. In terms of subscription plans, the Ring Alarm home security system, and all Ring devices for that matter, actually work without a subscription plan. However, they do offer an optional 24/7 professional monitoring service for $10 a month called Ring Protect Plus. Now this plan is completely optional, but what you get with it is professional security monitoring as well as police dispatch services in the event of an emergency. They also include cloud storage. For up to 60 days, you can still access captured videos, you can review them, share them, and save them anytime for up to 60 days in the cloud. Now again guys, this particular alarm system by Ring doesn't capture any video like I said. However, if you are using it in conjunction with another Ring video device such as a Ring video doorbell or a spotlight or floodlight cam, then the upgraded plan could make sense for you. So now I'm going to briefly take you inside the Ring app to show you how to actually manage your Ring alarm system right from your phone. Alright guys, so here we are now inside the actual Ring app. This is the home dashboard here, and as you can see, the alarm system is currently in disarmed mode, but you can easily, right from the app, put it in home mode or away mode. You can arm it in either mode right from the app by simply clicking on the icon. So let's say you're ready to leave the house and go out for the day's work. Simply click on the away icon, and as you can hear, the alarm is counting down. It gives you 60 seconds to remove yourself from the house before the alarm is fully set and armed. Once the countdown completes, if motion is detected, the siren will sound. But if you change your mind, you can always click on the disarmed icon, and that will disarm the alarm. Likewise, if you want to stay home, but you still want to monitor your doors and windows, you can click on the middle icon, the home icon, and that will put the alarm in home mode. So like I said, this arms just the window and door sensors, but the motion detectors will not be triggered. Again, if you want to cancel that, simply click on disarmed, and that will disarm the alarm once again. So that's how you arm and disarm from the app. Very simple, right from the main dashboard. Likewise, you can also arm and disarm the alarm directly from the keypad like you saw. But the app does give you a way to disarm and arm your alarm when you're away from home as well. So overall guys, who do I feel the Ring Alarm home security system is most ideal for? Well, I would say it's most ideal for those looking to monitor the inside and the entrances of their home for when you or your family are away at work, school, or even on vacation. The Ring app is pretty easy to use, and if you already have another Ring device, I find it super convenient that you can manage all your devices from the same app. Now, who would I say this system is not ideal for? I would say it's not as ideal for someone who's looking to capture video footage or stream a live view of the outside of their home. Because remember guys, this system is all about monitoring motion, but it doesn't actually capture it on video. So for those looking to capture security footage, I definitely recommend checking out their video capturing devices, such as their Ring video doorbells, their spotlight cams, or even their floodlight cam. I have a Ring video doorbell myself, and I practically use it every day for monitoring when my Amazon packages get delivered. Again, if you would like to learn more about the Ring Alarm home security system, I'll link down below where you can find it online, as well as my full list of its pros and cons. And if you would like to see my review of the Ring Video Doorbell 2 I mentioned in this video, I'll link up that video right there. As always guys, if you have any questions as well, feel free to leave your questions down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.